In this video, I will show you how to sell crypto on Revolut. So I'll go over the different types of selling orders you can have, and also how you can then withdraw that money back to your normal balance and how you can then use it to transfer to another bank, for example. So first, to sell your crypto on Revolut, just go to the crypto tab in the bottom. From there, you will see all the cryptocurrencies you own. For example, I've just got a little bit of XRP right here. So just click on the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. And from there, it becomes pretty clear. Just click on the sell button in the bottom of the screen. And from there, you will see this. Now you can either sell the amount of XRP in this case, or if you click on the sort of toggle icon with the two arrows, you can also switch it to euro in my case. But what I'll just do is click on sell all, since I want to sell all of the XRP that I have. Now, if you do this, you are just selling it at the current market price. This is just a simple sell order. But if you click on the sort of configure icon next to review order, you can see the different order types you have. So you have market order, limit order, stop order, and take profit or stop loss order. So you can do any of these. For this example, I'll do a market order since that's simplest, but you can also do one of the other ones if you prefer. So go and click on review order. And from there you have an overview with the fee, the selling price, etc. Often the fee can be quite high, especially on lower amounts like this. But from there, just click on confirm order if you want to sell it. And then you will see you have sold your crypto for a specific amount. So now what will happen is that money gets automatically added back into your normal balance. And from there you can now use it as you would use any other money that you have in your Revolut account. Now it could also be that if you set it to sell for USD, for example, that it shows up in your USD balance, but usually it will just go to your normal account balance for the currency that your account is in. For me, for example, euro. So now you know how to sell crypto on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.